If you have a locking wheel nut key, this sort of style, that the actual lock is on the outside, so you cannot actually get one of these rounded nut removers on the outside of this because it's right up next to the alloy. The way these work is that this top actually spins separately from the bottom, and it's got like a little rubber o-ring around here, and then this goes like that, and then obviously when you want to turn this just spins, doesn't spin this. The way you can remove these is if you can remove this by putting a rounded nut remover socket on this and putting pressure sidewards on it, so it gets so hot that this actually just falls off. Pretty much, I've done it with this socket and it's still really hot to the touch. I've done it like 15 minutes ago already. And then you can put another rounded nut remover on this one, and then that will just come off. Haven't seen anyone show this one off, this style, so I thought I'd make a quick video. Hope this helps.